Good morning, children. I hope you are revising our grammar topics and you can solve the problems based on that grammar topics. Okay, so children, in our grammar topics, we have completed our lesson first, that is the alphabet, then second, that is naming words, then third, that is the other naming words, and fourth, that is a and the articles, and just now we have completed all the exercises, textbook exercises, and notes also I have sent you based on all these topics. Okay, now today I am going to explain you lesson number 5, that is describing words. So what do you mean by describing word? So first of all, describing word, you should keep it in your mind that it is connected to our lesson, that is noun, second lesson, the naming words. So first of all, it is very essential to know what is naming words. So again, I am going to explain you the names of person, places, animals and things are called naming words. That means you have so many things around you and that have names. Okay. That thing has particular name and that is called naming word. Everything whatever you have around you, whatever we have, all things with us have a specific name, and all these names are called naming word. Okay, so how that describing word is related to naming words? Listen, the anything, if I have this thing with me, that is marker pen. Okay, so I can see that this is a pen, simply this is a pen. Okay, so here pen becomes noun. Okay, this pen becomes noun. This is a pen, so you can understand that this is a thing and its name is pen. So pen is noun. Okay, next thing I will say about this pen, that this pen is of black, white and red color. Okay, there are three colors in this pen. They are black, white and red. So what what is these words? What are these words that I said this pen is of red, black and white color? It shows you, it tell, yeah, they all these words tell you something more than this is pen. These words tell you something more about pen. First only I said this is pen. From that you understood that this is a pen. It is noun. But in second sentence when I said that this pen is of black, white and red color, then you get some extra information, more information about this pen, and that's why all these words black, white and red are डिस्क्राइबिंग वर्ड. दे डिस्क्राइब पेन. ओके, ये पेन को डिस्क्राइब करता है, पेन के बारे में हमें कुछ इन्फॉर्मेशन देता है. दैट्स व्हाई दे आर कॉल्ड नेमिंग डिस्क्राइबिंग वर्ड. ओके, and in this way naming describing words are connected to naming words. They describe naming words. Why I told that naming words and describing words are connected to each others? Because naming words describing words tells you something about naming words. Okay, वो naming words जो है उसके बारे में कुछ बोलता है. That's why first of all you should know what is the naming word. आपको पहले ये पता होना चाहिए what is naming word. If you don't know what is naming word, then it is in vain to learn that describing word. Okay, उसका कोई मीनिंग नहीं रहेगा अगर आपको यही नहीं पता नेमिंग वर्ड्स क्या है. Because there is connection between that naming words and describing word. Okay, so children, here first I revised in short that naming words. What is naming words? The name of any person, place, animal, thing are called naming words. And then secondly, the words that tell you something more about that naming word, or they tell you about naming word, they are called describing words. Okay, so for example, here I have taken I have given an example of this pen also, and here again I have written the word a cat. from this you can understand this is a noun because it is the name of animal. Okay, or cat. Simply from this you get an idea about that this is noun and this is the name of animal. Okay, next sentence, if I will write this, a white or black cat, a white or black cat. If I would like to say that the cat is white or black, then it is more information that I get from this word black or white. That means that cat may be simply white, single white color, maybe black color, or maybe black and white color. Okay. So this black and white, these words give me more information of that cat. In first only I know that from first word I understand that this is a cat. That means it is a animal. Okay, it is an animal. But from second sentence I got an idea that it is black or red animal. It may be black or red animal. Okay. That's why these words black and white are describing word for noun cat. So for describing word, they are describing word for noun cat. In next, an apple. Here I have written an apple. From this also you can get an idea about that this is a noun. Okay, this is a noun. But what is that red and green? An apple is red or and green. That means it might be red or green. Sometimes it is red and sometimes apples are green also. So that apple may be green or red. So what these words red and green are? These words red and green describe the color of that noun apple. Okay. These words red and black describes the noun apple. In the same way we have seen in black and white, they describe the color of the animal cat. Okay. In the same way here, red and green, they describe color of an apple. That means that apple should be of red color. That apple may be of red color or green color. Okay. So they describe that apple and that's why they are describing word for noun and apple. Understood? One more example I want to give you. My, okay, for example, my bag is, I don't want to take this color again. My bag is big, okay, big. My bag is big. Okay, so children, see here. First of all, whenever you see that sentence is given to you and you have to find out a describing word, then first of all you should you should try to find out that noun in that sentence. What is the noun in this sentence? My bag is big. So to find out that noun, you should ask question with who. Whenever you will ask question who, you will get answer and that should be noun. That should be noun. So here I am going to ask question who. Who is big? Okay. Here quality big is given to you. So I will ask this question. Who is big? So I got answer that is bag. Okay. So I am going to underline this word bag. Bag is big. So here bag is this noun. That is naming word. So I will write here noun. That bag is noun. Okay. And after that you should ask question to that noun with how. So you will get the name of any quality and that is the describing word of that given noun. So I can ask this question here. How is bag? How is the bag? Okay. So bag is big. So here I get answer that is big. It is quality. This is big. So I am going to circle here. This is the quality and that's why it is describing word. It is also called adjectives. Okay. It is also called adjectives. here we are using for you first standard naming word, okay, but adjective is also uh, correct for this. Then my bag is big. Here first you should try to find out noun. The noun is bag, then you can ask question with who, how, then you will get any quality. That quality that quality is not always in the form of color itself, okay. ये नहीं है कंपलसरी कि जो क्वालिटी है, जस्ट आई हैव गिवन यू टू क्वेश्चन टू examples and I have written their colors, but it is not always that in the form of colors the quality may be. That quality of noun, it may be in the form of shapes, in this way, that big, small, round, square, okay, all these are shapes, in the form of shapes, in the form of colors, in the form of any expressions like sad, then qualities, then bad, good, all these qualities also, then excellent. In this way also, so many qualities are there. So it is not that only in the form of colors they are, they may be in the form of expressions, facial expressions. She is happy, she is sad, she is so, then fat, big, small, and shape, okay. Then colors also, this I have given you red, green, blue, black, white, sky, any colors, okay. They may be in all these forms. So you just have to ask the question how to noun, and you will get the answer, and that should be describing word for our noun. That's why you should learn how to find out noun first, okay. So children, here I have completed my explanation part of this describing word. It is very easy, okay.